Hello and welcome to the Full Octane Lodge, and today we got something new for pulling our trailer. We always had the trailer just a little bit unlevel. You always had to change out hitches, so we got a flexible hitch solution that we're going to give a shot because we're picking up a new trailer today. This is all billet aluminum. It's designed to pull up to 12,000 pounds. And it's an easy adjustable hitch, which is nice. Oh wow, it comes with keys, got some locks. And this is the bar that goes in the trailer, in the receiver hitch actually. And you have a 2 5/16 ball and a 2-inch ball. And as simple as it gets is this device can slide up and you pop a pen in it. And that's basically how easy it is to adjust the height of your hitch now. So we're going to take a ride down to Memphis to pick up a new trailer, new to us at least. And we're going to show you how this thing works. The hitch worked out fantastic. This thing is so easy to adjust. It's kind of cool because then all you have to do is unlock your lock, pull the lock out, and this hitch will slide up and down. Also comes with a lock for the truck itself. So it has a great deal of adjustability. It's really cool because if you're going to load a car and trailer, you can jack it up. If you're going to have an issue where the tail of the trailer is going to drag, you can always drop it down a little bit. Has a 2 5/16 ball and a 2-inch ball. Will tow 12,500 pounds, I believe. This is all billet and it's super strong and I'm really happy with it. Thanks for being with us at the Full Octane Lodge. If you like our videos, please subscribe. It really helps us out a lot. We'd love to see you come back, and we'll see you soon at the Full Octane Lodge. Oh, wait, I almost forgot. Our legal team made me promise to display this disclaimer before we ended the video. Please take a moment to read it before you make any buying decisions.